Guys, today
we will make a video.
Yeah, together, Walker and me. Walker, there's a net. Don't worry, it's just a bug. And it's Walker and me, Flippy Unicorns. That's my YouTuber name. Yeah, that's my YouTuber name. I can't say my real name. Okay, for some reason. Okay, so we just
Walker is not my real name.
Yeah, we promise. Soon we are gonna reveal your real name.
Yeah.
Okay, so we found some birds. If you can't see them, one's right there, and the other is in the camera too. If you want to look around, pause the video and kind of look around. Wait, hold on. Turn this all the way bright so you guys can see it, because we're literally under a tree right now. Okay, so we're gonna focus. Oh, it's going. Okay, so we're gonna try to scare them at the end of this video. And I think it's a robin. If this would please focus. Okay, maybe it's just too bright. Yeah, there. Okay, so one's moving. Okay, so we're gonna get a little bit closer. Even though it looks like we're close, but really we're not because it just zoomed in. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video. And then we're gonna try to get closer to them. So Walker, come on. Okay, we're gonna pause the video now. Hold on. Okay, we got close enough that you guys can see it. At the end of this video, we're going to scare them away and make them fly away. We can show our neighbors / friends / neighbors that live right next to us.
Yeah, that's why
this video. So we're gonna scare them away in 3. Oh wait, I just made you zoom in all the way. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I think that's far enough. Yeah, they're even. Okay. Okay. So that's kind of end the video.
Bye.
Dang, we forgot to take a picture.
Take a picture now. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, they kind of flew away. Maybe we see some. Come here, Walker, follow me. We might be landing in the trees. And we could get a good look at them. You're not really going to look at them. We're just going to take a photo. Already 3 minutes long in our video. Could go to 21. Then it will end. Walker, come on. Okay. Walker, come on. Okay. So I just saw some fly this way. So I think some of them landed in the tree. And I did actually see some robins a few days ago on the other side of the street. So we can try to look for the... So if we find some more birds, then we'll make a video again, because we love birds. Okay. Lovebirds are actually real.
Lovebirds?
Yeah. I don't see one. No, I don't see one. Okay, we're gonna pause the video until we kind of find one. So, pause. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna unpause the video because we're going around the block around our house and around our house.
Recording the video.
Yeah, we're trying to take a picture. Go to 21 minutes. So, I just saw one. I see one. Follow me. There, one's flying away. No, we were so close. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. Sorry we didn't find some more birds than that. So we're going to just end the video. Hopefully you'll like the video, like all my videos. Actually, get 10,000 likes on this video and subscribe to not miss another video and turn the notifications on. Hit the bell for notifications. So bye. Walker just scraping stuff inside there.
Yes.
Also, sorry if you can't see that much, because I definitely can't inside the camera. It is very sunny out,
Yeah.
because it is very nice, but, sorry if you can't see the birds that was just right there. And if we see some more, we're going to take another picture. I mean, video and picture.
Video.
Okay, so bye. Also, this is my first time actually recording outside. Walker, do you ask Dad
For what?
to bring my tab outside? Did he say yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
No, he did something. It was a day.
Okay, well. Okay, we're gonna end the video now because this is literally 6 minutes long and we don't want it to end by itself. So bye. Hope you enjoyed. Walker, say bye.
Bye.
Nets/bugs, say bye.
Bye.
That was clearly Walker, but whatever. Birds that we just saw, say bye. /sheep, which they sound like. Okay. So now we're gonna end the video. Everything say bye. So bye.
This video is about birds.
Yeah, it's kind of about birds.
Yeah. Right?
Yes. Also, do you guys know that there's about like 1 million birds in the world? Or 1,000?
I forgot that.
And they're a fly. And okay, never mind. They're not a mammal. Bats are the only mammal that can actually fly.
Only mammals?
Yeah, bats are mammals even though they don't have fur. Actually, they do have fur. So, birds. So, there's about like 1,000 birds in the world. Why do I not feel safe in here? Oh, are those police? Why is there police here? Oh, dang it.
How are you?
Good. Okay, for reals. We're gonna end the video now. I'm gonna go into the shade. Sorry if you can't hear me, by the way, because there were some policemen trying to find a lost boy. So I don't know what his name is or anything. So bye, for reals. Bye. Hope you enjoy. Like if you like this video. Subscribe, never miss another video. And hit the bell for notifications. So, I know. So, bye. For reals, we're gonna end the video. Okay, Walker, say bye.
Bye. Enjoy.
Everything, say bye. Including me. So, bye. Hope you enjoy. So, bye.